welcome to another Salesforce and Trailhead tutorial with myself, Jonathan Fox, and today this is the final video in the Summer 20 release notes and features that I want to go over. And today there are 4 elements within the dev side of things. So we've gone over quite a few admin, and I wanted to dive into a couple of the dev release notes. So one real important one is Aura components in the UI namespace are being depreciated, and we've known this for a while. Trailhead covers it, and it's been a while coming. So obviously that affects all components that use the UI namespace. Salesforce plan to end their support of this May 21, so we do have time to still refactor our code and still use it if you really have to. As you can see here, there is a lightning comparison, so you can find, for example, your button, there's a lightning button or lightning button icon. There is an opposite member, so there is an alternative for each one. However, Salesforce will stop supporting cases after 2021. Doesn't mean you have to stop using UI namespace, but it just means that you'll not be able to get any support. So start looking at using these counterparts here. The next thing is being able to delete Aura or Lightning Web components from managed packages. Particularly useful, especially when you want to refactor and change your packages, especially when these components are no longer needed. So this allows you to get these delete these components out of the managed package. It'll still stay in the subscribers org, but the subscriber can also remove them from the package as well. So this is a step-by-step of how to remove them. Take a look at the Apex namespace. So there are a couple of added or changed methods within the namespace, so just check those out. Some of them will be particularly useful and mean there's less of a workaround to achieve what these now do. And then finally, if we go ahead and look at the Lightning Web components, so Lightning Aura is great and can coexist with Lightning Web components. However, it is advised to use Lightning Web components where possible. There's a bunch of Lightning Web components, new components have changed or new ones here. So example of these ones are now supported, the alternative text for icons, the blur and the focus, that's particularly cool. And I must say, the Lightning input field now supporting lookup fields for Salesforce Mobile. You can't create new records from the lookup that you can on the desktop, but at least lookup fields are now supported, which is super useful. And the tree grid, now that's actually particularly useful, and I've seen quite a few people on Salesforce Answers asking how to do something like this, so that's really cool. I hope this was useful. Thank you.